Trent Edwards from Hubler Nissan in Greenwood, Indiana, and this is a 2019 Maxima SL. Super black in color and has a 3.5 liter V6 engine with 300 horsepower. It's front wheel drive and does have a CVT transmission. On the inside you'll notice it does come with Bluetooth connection, dual moonroof, Bose premium sound system, backup camera, heated front seats, remote engine start, blind spot monitor, rear cross traffic alert, keyless start, navigation system, and satellite radio. All of our vehicles here at Hubler Nissan also come with a free 10-year, 200,000-mile powertrain warranty. If you'd like to come in and see this vehicle, please contact us at 317-888-9227 and ask for Trent, or stop on in to Hubler Nissan, 8435 US 31, Indianapolis, Indiana, 46227. I look forward to hearing from you and test driving this beautiful 19 Maxima SL.